Welcome to TechBrothersIT. In this video, we are going to learn about sorting and ordering in PySpark. There are a lot of functions available for us. So we have ascending that sorts the column in ascending order. Then we have ascending nulls first, that ascending order with nulls first. So if you have null values, they will come first and then the ascending order will be applied. Then we have ascending nulls last. So you have ascending order with the nulls at the end of that. Then you have descending that will sort the column in descending order. Then you have also descending nulls first, descending order with nulls first, and then finally we have descending nulls last. That will descending order will nulls last. Here is my sample data, and you can see that we have ID, we have name, and we have salary. In the salary we have some values called none. The none value in this Spark is the null values. And here is a list of the column. We have a ID, name, and salary, and then we are creating a data frame called the DF by using the create data frame function here, providing the sample data, then providing the column for the schema. It will create our data frame called DF, and here I'm showing you that data frame. I'm going to go ahead and execute this code so you can see the data frame, and then we will take from there. So here is our data frame, and you can see that we have ID, we have name and salary, and in the salary we have two values. Those are null values, and that I already showed you. To put the nulls, we use a none keyword in the PySpark. Now if we would like to do the ascending order by salary, so what we can do, we say data frame dot order by, and then use the column function here, and on the column that we want to apply is called the salary, and then we say dot ascending. So that's the function is gonna give us the output in ascending order by salary, and then we use the show function to see the records. So this is very simple. You can now, once you know this script, you can keep changing the function and it will just work fine. So now if we want to do ascending with nulls first, so in this case what will happen, you have a DF data frame, the original one that you have, then order by and column, and then you say dot ascending nulls first function, and then you will use dot show to see the records. Then if we want to do ascending with nulls last, same way we will say data frame dot order by, and then here is the column on which we would like to do the sorting or ordering by, and then say ascending nulls last. So this is going to show us nulls at the end, and then show is used to display the rows from the data frame. Now if we want to do descending order, simple same way, but you will say data frame order by, and then you have column, and then you will say descending right here, and that will do the trick, and it will give us the output in our descending order where the salary is used for the sorting. Now here if we want to do descending with nulls first, we can do data frame order by, and then we say column, and then say descending nulls first, and then show. And same way if we want to see the order descending but would like to see the nulls at the end, we'll say data frame, that's our DF, that's our data frame order by, and then we have column, and then we finally use the descending nulls function on that column, and then we'll say show, that will show us the records. I'm going to execute this notebook, and what's going to happen then, you're going to see all the output, and I will walk you through, and you will make sense by looking at it. Here is our original data frame results, and we have ID, name, and salary. You see the couple of values are there, and then we apply the order by on salary, and it was in ascending, and you can see that if you apply ascending order and then you have null values, pretty much they will pop up on top anyways, but here is the ascending order, you can see right there. Now if you say ascending by salary with nulls first, that's the same results you see up, but this makes sure the nulls come always on top of it. Now if you do ascending by salary with nulls last, that's you have a salary ascending right there, and you see the null values in that column, that those records will show up at the end. Then here we have a descending order by salary, and you see that values right there, and that's how it is gonna be, and nulls pop up at the end. Just make sure if you want to be always want to have nulls first, then you will be using descending nulls first, and you can see right there, that's the function that will show the null first, and then sort or order by the records by the salary in descending order. And again, if you would like to see descending by salary with nulls last, then you can use descending nulls last, and that will do the trick. Now in this scenario, what you have seen I've been using only single column, but you can use multiple columns if you like. Here in a case, let's say if I want to use salary, now let me, on the first example, right, so I was using salary here, and now if I will copy this, and here I want to use more columns. Let's say I want to use salary and ID, so I can use that as well. So now if I will execute this, it's going to show me some records here, and you can see right there, now it is ordered by salary and also ordered by our ID. And in this case, this is a ID 2, 1 and all that. So first it is sorted by the salary and then sorted by the ID. So we can always change if we want. In this case it's ascending, we can do descending and all that. So depends on your needs, however you want to order by those columns, and you can do it right here. Multiple columns can be done as well. So now you see that it is ordered by salary first, and then ID is also as a descending. So I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will put this code in the description so you can use it. Thank you very much.